If you're looking for bike horns, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 Lowrider bike horns. Number 1, most popular, by Lowrider. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Lowrider. Number 3. For more details about this great bike horns, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by Lowrider. Find these bike horns at up to 70% off by clicking the description below. Number 6. Number 7. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Number 9. Discover more bike horns ideas and items to explore, click the info circle. Number 10.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.